Hi and welcome to bageshris color box, and in today's video I'm going to do bottle art on these glass bottles. I've taken two bottles here as I plan to do a pair bottle art here. I begin with giving a base coat here. I have used wall paint for base coat. I've chosen these two shades, but I needed a very light shade, light background, so we'll be using white and mixing with these shades. The bottles are dried and I begin with dabbing them with the shade of my choice. Here they are completely dried. I've already sketched the required drawing and I begin the painting now. And as you can see, this is a bird that I'm painting here. Black outlining was a must. I'm going to do overall designing to the bottle with this white shade. All the colors used in this bottle art were acrylic colors. Making some mini hearts on both the bottles. To enhance the bird and the heart, I am using silver acrylic shade, just like an outlining part. I'm not sure if it is visible. I hope you can see the shining. I have also given silver pearl dots on each of the hearts. So once the painting and the designing was completely dried, the next important step was to varnish both the bottles. And to give a completion to this bottle, I am using this leaf lace at the bottom and I will also stick it at the nozzle. And one more addition to my home decor is ready. Do not leave this video without subscribing and also give your love by liking this video. Promise